Guys, it's storming outside. And we just had like 6 people show up, but the only ones left. Because we got people's orders really fast. But it is raining so hard. This is the batch of peanuts that you can see we already don't have enough on the top. And move, Lucas. Don't burn me. Move. And then we got a new little scooper and it's awesome. I love it. Ooh.
I like the old one.
You can use the old one then.
It's larger. No, but I like the new one too.
And we can't sit anywhere right now.
Hey, get a peanut.
No.
Yeah.
I don't want one.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Okay, somebody's here. Oh, it's Amy. So yeah.